Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mutton soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of fresh mutton, along with your favorite vegetables like carrots and potatoes. Don't forget aromatic spices such as ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Have 2 liters of water or broth ready, and ensure your cooking pot is prepared. This initial step sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's prepare the star of our soup, the mutton. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the meat and cutting it into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 2 inches each. Next, marinate the mutton with a generous amount of ginger-garlic paste and a teaspoon of turmeric powder for about 15 minutes. Then, brown the marinated mutton in your pot with 1 tablespoon of oil. This crucial step locks in the flavors. With the mutton browned, it's time to build the soup's body. Add your chopped onions, tomatoes, and any other vegetables you like, such as potatoes or carrots. Pour in the 2 liters of water or broth, bringing the mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for at least 1 hour or until the mutton is wonderfully tender. Season generously with salt and black pepper. Your delicious mutton soup is almost ready. For the perfect finish, garnish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or finely chopped spring onions. This adds a burst of freshness and color. Serve your piping hot mutton soup alongside some crusty bread for dipping, or with a bowl of steamed rice for a heartier meal. This recipe typically yields about 6 generous servings, perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.